This video is about TraCI. TraCI is a short term for traffic control interface. TraCI uses a TCP-based client-server architecture to provide access to Sumo. Sumo acts as a server. Other programming languages can act as client. The client I'm going to talk about today is Matlab. So that is TraCI4Matlab. TraCI4Matlab is included as part of the installation of Sumo. It is installed in this folder. So in my computer, Sumo is the TraCI4Matlab. It is installed at disk C, program files, Eclipse, Sumo, tools, contributed, TraCI4Matlab. It provides a user manual to teach you how to configure TraCI4Matlab so that Matlab can interact with Sumo in a client-server scenario in which Matlab acts as a client and Sumo as a server. There are several steps. So step one is to set up the environment. Here, the environment variable is Sumo home. First, let's open any folder file explorer. Then right-click on this PC. We click on the property. Then advanced system settings. Here you will see the environment variable. The bottom one is system variables. Then here you will see the Sumo home. The system variables is Sumo home. Then the value is the location where Sumo is installed. So here it will be C, program file, Eclipse, Sumo. Then you can click on new and input the Sumo home and the value. That should be okay. Then we can move on to the second step. The second step is to get TraCI4Matlab. So in general, TraCI4Matlab has already been installed. So when you install Sumo, then we can move on to step 3. Step 3 is adding the additional dependencies to Matlab's static Java path. So here we want to create a text file contain the path to TraCI4Matlab jar file. It is this file, but in my installations, so I didn't see this file. So if in your installation, you did not see this file, then you can go to MATLAB Central. Then you can find the TraCI4Matlab. Then you can click on download. Then in downloads folder, you will see the TraCI4Matlab. Then you will see this file, TraCI4Matlab jar. Then you can just copy it. You can copy it to this location. Now you have TraCI4Matlab jar file. Then you want to create a file to include the directory of TraCI4Matlab jar. Then where do you want to save this file? So it will be saved in the preference directory of Matlab. Then how to know the preference directory of Matlab? Then you can use the prefer directory command. So here, if I use the prefer directory command, you will let the C user, this is the directory. So I can copy that. Okay. Then once you have this file, so you can name it Java class path txt. Then in this folder, you will see I have already created this file. It's Java class path txt. So let me open it. Then you can see in this file, it just tells the directory of this file. Okay. So that's the disk C program file, Eclipse, Sumo, tools, contributed, TraCI4Matlab, then TraCI4Matlab jar. Then the next step is to add TraCI4Matlab to the Matlab's path. Then you can use path2 command. Then here you can click on add folder. Then you can add C program file, Eclipse, Sumo, to contributed, TraCI4Matlab. So that will be this folder, tools, contributed, TraCI4Matlab. Then that's it. Then you should be able to test TraCI4Matlab. In my next video, I will talk about the testing.